So are you both ready?
Yeah.
You can laugh, you can smile, you can do anything, but don't fear. Don't be hesitate. Don't keep hesitation within you. Be confident. All the time, always, we cannot have hesitation. We cannot fear of speaking in front of public. All right. Look up. Okay. Shall we start? Huh? Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Will you introduce yourself?
Good evening, everyone.
Listen. Whenever you are speaking, be confident. No, good evening, everyone. This is exactly not evening. This is morning. So speak in this way. Good morning, everyone. There must be a rhythm in your speaking.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankita Sahu, a student of class third.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is studying.
Your hobby is studying. Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning to you.
At first, I'd like to thank our Mr. Dharwa sir.
Calm. You don't have to go as fast as train. Okay.
First,
Yeah. No.
Good morning, everyone. At first, I'd like to thank our Mr. Dharwa sir to give me this opportunity to speak something. Well, my name is Jamuna Nang, a student of class 8. My hobby is writing.
Where are you from? Could you tell us?
I am from Gloomy village.
From Odisha.
Yes.
Okay. What is your native language?
Native.
Native. What is your mother tongue? Give me one microphone.
My mother tongue, my native language is Odia.
Sit straight.
Odia and English.
Odia? No, English is not your native language. English is our international language. So, how do you feel when you speak English? Do you fear of speaking English or what?
I don't feel fear.
I don't fear. You can say.
I don't feel fear.
No, I don't fear.
I don't fear. I feel very nice.
You feel very nice. Okay. And what about you? What do you know about English language? Because English is not our language. English is our second language, which is called international language. Okay. So you go anywhere, you have to speak English, and if you know English, then there is high chances to get a job and to settle in a good place. So please let me know and let people know from you that what you know about English. What do you think about English?
Actually, I know about English.
No, not actually. Actually, as far as I know about English.
As far as I know about English, English is help anywhere.
Okay.
If we go somewhere, then we can talk that person in English. And if we don't know English, then what is the value of going to that
place? That's very nice.
And if we know English, then English help to in job and talk with and
to communicate
with people. And I know about English one thing, that if we know English, then there is a chance of getting
a job. Okay, that's very nice. What do you think? Just give me that microphone. What do you think? Do you think that village people speak English or not? First of all, tell me, where do you live? In a village or city?
I live in a village.
You live in a village?
Yes.
Okay. Do your village people speak English?
Yes, my village people speak English.
Are you telling the truth? Because I have never seen speaking English in village area. So how do you feel when you speak English in your village? Because mostly village people do not speak English. But in that time, if we speak, then of course our value is something different. They give little bit more important to us.
Well, my mother, father does not speak English, but my small friends are
speaking
English.
Okay.
And when I speak English, then I feel very nice.
You feel very nice. if you get a chance to speak something and to do something in front of people. Now we are having this conversation in front of some of the students. We don't have many students exactly, but some of the students we are just facing. So what do you think? Can you face camera in front of 1,000 or 100 people one day if you get a chance? What do you think?
I think so. If I get a chance
Face camera.
of of speak English in front of many people, then of course I can speak English in front of people because I have confidence.
I have confidence.
I have confidence and I can speak English as well. That is why I think so. I can speak English in front of people.
Okay. Are you happy to be a girl?
Yes, I am happy to a girl because
Hmm.
I am girl.
Okay.
I am girl and I do many things and I try also my best.
That's very nice. Okay.